and tax services. Ano rin ang Graydon Raycraft Shine Time Cleaning Services. So kasi kung gusto magpa-cleaning dyan, the Shine Time Cleaning Service is available for us. Kaya po ba, ma'am? Well, thank you so much. So mamaya you're gonna do the cleaning here, right? So it's good that we have your cleaning here. And Annie and Leo Katipunan of Western Pizza. So of course, I believe we will have a free pizza tonight. Are you hearing them, Ate Annie? You're gonna give them a free pizza tonight? So we would like also to thank our silver sponsor, Milpin and Jocelyn Soto of Greatway Financial Services. Sino po mga client ng Greatway dito? Any Greatway client? Okay, if you didn't have an insurance, you can talk to Milpin, you can talk to me also. Joe. Baka pagalitan ako ni Milpin. So we have here the bronze sponsor with Karen and Gerald Lim of Wow, never ride dirty. So for sure, pwede ko bang pakinig yung aming sasakyan tonight? Kasi never ride dirty. Sorry, medyo yung mata. And then we have here the donor sponsors, Cameron's Clothing Company. Food and refreshment for the artists and producers, Nick Davina, Annie and Jeff Santos. Wow, so much sponsor tonight. And tonight we would like also to promote Sak Tabuldo, live in Saskatoon on November 5, 2003 at 7 p.m. So I believe we have your producer.